Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own PBJ. They're like these little fidget toys. It's really cool. Just look it up. PBJs. So to start, you'll need a balloon full of water, which I already filled up. And then you'll need some felts. Oh my god, paper is sticking to it. Any color you want. I'm just using pink because that's what I had on hand, and I thought it would go good with my purple balloon. Let me peel off the sticker. You also need rubber bands. This part's optional. You also need rubber bands, or I'm just using hair ties. Thank you to my camera. Thank you to my sisters who gave me these hair ties because I have never used them. That's a lie. I used to have long hair, but you know what I mean. So anyways, we're going to start by taking our felts. The lights, they just change. We're going to wrap it around and we're going to wrap it around our balloon. Just like this. So once you have it all wrapped up, you want to take your hair ties and tie it just to test the size. See if that fits. Okay. So when you're done with that, you're going to want to pinch about where the center is. And then cut a circle right there. Or I guess you could do any shape, but a circle is classic. So I'm just going to do that. It helps to draw your circle first. So that never happened. I've got my scissors here. Be sure to be careful while doing this. And just cut out your circle. This part may be a little bit hard if you have thick felts and your scissors aren't super sharp. Okay, so now you have your little circle cut out. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then here's a tricky part. It's gonna be hard to film this. Once you have your little hole, oh my god. Then you take your balloon and you place it. Make sure you don't have this part. Actually, you know what? You can cut off this excess part. Just make sure to be careful not to cut too far down or you'll pop the balloon. Oof. Anyways, so you want to take the side of your balloon and push it and plop it right onto the hole. And then you'll take the corners of the felt and bring them up so that they're touching. Okay? And then here you'll take your hair tie, tie your felt. That's so cool. And then you can also glue this part down, but I just find this easier. I love it so much. Put your little face on it. Bleh. Ah! I just realized it looks like a fish. Oh no. I think I ate something. Dude, I think I ate something bad. I'm gonna blow. Highly recommend. Bye, guys.